but the lady we had on the show last week, he actually has read her book and basically said, that could be the most important information you'll ever learn for your health. So I know, just bizarre coincidence.
Serendipity, it just happens to be.
Absolutely.
So we're going to be talking a lot today, and of course with Ross. But after that, we're going to talk about something that I feel is on the rise.
Yes.
Am I right?
Absolutely. So Asperger's, ASD, the whole autism spectrum, it is doubling every 2 to 3 years.
Why is that? Is it something to do with what we're eating?
It's a whole combination. Environmental toxins seem to be one of the huge triggers because our immune system is dealing with so many environmental toxins, then the immune system isn't keeping up. We're getting more inflamed. Our brain and gut aren't communicating very well. It's massive.
So is it hereditary?
There are genes that are linked to autism and Asperger's. So basically there are things like the MTHFR gene. So if we have that, we have a higher risk. If we have it as a mother, we have a higher risk of having an autistic child. But then you have to have another combination of things going on. Poor bacteria in the gut, poor liver function. MTHFR gene means that our liver isn't as functional as it should be. So, there are lots of factors. We have to have a leaky brain. So
we're talking about guts and leafy brains.
That's
if
right.
If you've just tuned in, it sounds a bit weird. We're speaking to Madonna Guy. She, of course, is from New Leaf Natural Therapies. And as we talked about, we've got a special guest coming in. Stay with us on Bay FM.